In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a blogging website in WordPress. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a blogging website for WordPress. Obviously, you have your niche and you have a monetization strategy. If you don't, check out the video I uploaded yesterday about how to find those things. But the next step is really to get a domain and get web hosting. Now, you can use just about anyone out there. I use and recommend Bluehost for a lot of my beginner websites just because it's easy, it's very user-friendly. So what you can do is you can go to bluehost.com or you can click the link in the description. It'll take you right over to Bluehost. It is an affiliate link, so I'll get paid a little bit of commission, but that's okay. Anyway, if we continue on, go to Bluehost, you click on Get Started, and you can get started for $2.95 a month. Now, you'll have to pay for a year, but you'll get a domain name and you'll get web hosting. I also recommend that you get the privacy. If you don't get the privacy, people are going to be reaching out to you 24 hours, 7 days a week, telling you that they can create the most beautiful website for you, when in reality, we already have a plan for that. Go through and sign up for Bluehost or whatever web hosting company you want. And then the next step is to get a theme. Now, a theme is the way that your website looks and feels. When it comes to WordPress, there are themes and there are plugins. As I mentioned, themes control the way your website looks and feels. Plugins add additional features and functionality. For example, if you wanted to change the color on all of your web pages, that's going to be the theme. But if you want to add a live chat to your website, that's a plugin. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to a website called ThemeForest.net to find themes. These are going to be premium themes. You don't have to use a premium theme, but the cool thing with premium themes is they have both themes and plugins included, and so it's a really nice thing. And what you can do is you can just basically search your niche, you can search different ideas, and there are tons of themes out here. So we can just click on WordPress and we can go down to popular themes. And when we do this, you can see there are tons of themes that you can download and import. For example, we can click on this bee theme. We'll click preview here, and you can actually take a look and preview what it will look like. You can scroll through, get an idea. Usually within these themes, there are tons of pre-built websites that you can just import right into your Bluehost or web hosting platform. And so what we want to do is we just want to scroll through and maybe pick one that we like. If we like this theme, we're going to go up to buy now, buy it, and then what will happen is a zip drive will download to your computer. The next step is simply to upload that zip drive right into your WordPress site. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my website, alstongodbolt.com. Now, I already have a theme and I already have a blog set up, but this is the way my website looks. This is a theme, what you are seeing. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to log into the back office. And what we're going to do next is we're simply going to go to Appearance, go to Themes, and then we are going to click on Upload New Theme or Add New Theme. And when we click on Add New Theme, we can simply click on Upload Theme. And when we click on Upload, we are going to click on Choose File. And then we're going to find wherever that file downloaded to. Usually it's in your downloads folder. And then we're going to click on Install. And what will happen is you'll get a different screen and it'll tell you that it's working through. Some errors, sometimes, very, very rarely, you will get an error message saying that the theme is too large. And what you may need to do is you may need to change your INI, reach out to your web hosting provider. They'll be able to make that change for you. And then you can download it again. And then you can activate it. When you activate it, let me just show you. You click on install or you click on activate, and it'll either import the template or it'll say, do you want to import the template? If you like the way the template looks, you click on yes, and then it'll give you basically it'll make it look like the templates you selected over here. What you'll then need to do is you'll need to go through each page and make the necessary changes. For example, under themes, we would go to customize, and you click on customize. This pop-up comes up and it'll allow you to make changes on individual pages. So what you should do is spend some time working through, making sure that everything fits your color and your aesthetic. And then once you've done that, make sure that you have gone over to settings and made these changes. If you don't make these changes, it can have a negative impact on your blog or website. So we go to settings, we're going to just click on settings. And the first thing that pops up is general. You want to make sure that you have your site title and then a tagline. Your tagline should be keyword rich. and then make sure that you have HTTPS. If you don't have HTTPS, your website will be negatively affected. Google hates non-HTTPS websites, so make sure that that is set. If it isn't HTTPS by default, reach out to your web host provider. They'll be able to make that change. If we scroll down here, make sure that you have the date format configured to however you like it, as well as the time. Then you can actually change what day your week starts on, and then click save whenever you make the changes. So the next step is to go to writing, and then through writing, you can leave all of this as is. Under reading, you should leave, under reading right now, I have it as a static page. And because I have it as a static page, it looks like, we'll go back to alstongodbolt.com. So because it's a static page, it will look like this every time you go to my main page. This will show up every time. However, if we change it to blog post, this can change whenever you upload a new post. It really comes down to personal preference, but I like the static page so that every time they come to this page and it looks consistent. Then you can change the number of blog posts that show up, and then make sure that you click save. The next one is discussion. You can leave this as is. The one after that is permalinks. Permalinks are really important. When it comes to permalinks, you want to make sure that it's set to post name. So if you ever go to my blog, for example, multiple income funnel review, close that. This is an ad, by the way. You can see that my domain name is alstongodbolt.com, but the name of the actual post is multiple income funnel review 2021. Update to multiple income funnel. Now, the reason why you want to do it this way is it helps with search engine optimization. When people are searching for a keyword or a keyword phrase, this will give you a better opportunity to show up in the search results in the eyes of Google and the other search engines out there. So you want to make sure that you have that set. Make sure that you have that set, and then click save. Under privacy, there's a default privacy policy. Use that page. You can configure it or change it if you want. You can also put on there that you're an affiliate. You should put you're an affiliate in the footer of all of your blog pages, and you can do that with a widget, which I'll show you in just a second, so that you don't run into any issues. There's one other thing that we need to talk about. The thing that we need to talk about is under reading. Now down here, it says search engine visibility. You want to leave this unchecked. Do not check this. If you check this box here, you may not show up in the search engines, and you won't get discovered, and people won't come to your site, and you won't make any money. So absolutely do not check this. I accidentally checked this once, and my site suffered for it. I had to go through, uncheck it. I had to upload a sitemap into Google. I had to have XML. There's just a whole lot of issues when it comes with this. So make sure that this is unchecked. No matter what, leave it unchecked. So one other thing, if we go to widgets here, now this will be different depending on the theme that you choose, but you can come here to the footer bar and you can add in your affiliate disclosure. Again, you want to make sure that you have that on all of your web pages, just so that you are being open, honest, and transparent. The other thing that you want to look at is the sidebar here. And the sidebar, if we go back over to my website, this is the sidebar. These are the things that appear on the sidebar. You want to make sure that you have your sidebar configured. Now, don't have too many things. The more stuff you have on your website, the slower it is. The slower it is, the worse or more negative impact it's going to have in Google, and the more your site it will suffer and the less money that you will make. I like having my sidebar relatively clean. No images, no video, nothing like that. I have custom HTML because I want people to land on my landing page and enter in their name and their email. So believe it or not, that's about it when it comes to creating your WordPress website. Go get web hosting from Bluehost. I'll leave a link in the description. Go over to ThemeForest or wherever you can find WordPress themes. I like using paid themes or premium themes. Some people prefer free themes. Again, premium themes come with additional plugins usually, and then go through each one of these to make sure. Go through the customize and customize your theme for the look and feel that you want. You can change everything from adding a logo to changing the color scheme. The additional options here will vary based on your theme. For example, I'm using GeneratePress, which is another good and lightweight theme. These are only for, like this GeneratePress theme is only for GeneratePress. And Customize is only available for GeneratePress. What yours will look like will be slightly different. Again, Generate Blocks is only for GeneratePress, but just go through and then make sure that you save it. And then the final step is to start writing with posts. As you can see here, I have a bunch of posts on my page, and then really you're up and running. So now that you know how to create a blog with WordPress, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.